Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, brothers and sisters. Today, I would like to share with you on how to integrate Islamic values in our lectures. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the Quranic teaching methods that we can apply in our lectures. Number one, Iqra, read. This is the essence of Al-Quran. Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent down Al-Quran for us to read and understand. So what we can do in order to implement this kind of teaching method in our lecture, okay, we need to study the content of Al-Quran or Hadith values and try to relate them to the concept of language, communication, or tourism. Number two, Al-Amthal, analogy. Okay, there are so many analogies in Al-Quran or Hadith. So try to find them and relate with language, communication, or tourism concept. Number three, Hiwar, dialogues. Like we can find many analogies in Al-Quran. We can also find many dialogues in Al-Quran. For example, dialogue between Allah and Iblis, dialogue between Prophet Musa and Prophet Khidir. Try to find values behind these dialogues and use it when we teach our students for language, communication, or tourism. Number four, at-targhib wa tarhib, encouragement and warning. Okay, if we read Al-Quran, we can find many verses, okay, that talk about encouragement and warning. So this kind of value, okay, talks about everything that we have in the world, okay, has rule and measure. So in the context of pandemic, we can teach our students adab, akhlaq, how to deal with online learning. So if they do good things, please encourage them. But if they do bad things like cheating in exams, plagiarizing people's work, so we need to warn them properly and mention to them what they should do. So to conclude our video today, okay, we have 4 Quranic teaching methods. Number 1, Iqra, read. Number 2, Amthal, analogy. Number 3, Hiwar, dialogue. And the last one, Targhib and Tarhib, encouragement and warning. That's all from me. See you again inshallah in the next video. Assalamualaikum.